Hey guys, I am Torchwood, and you should know that you were last today. We are watching Arrow Season 3, Episode 13. Let's just carry on. Oh, come on, Laurel.
Dinah Laurel Lance. Selfish bitch. You're not a hero.
What
You're
the
a
hell?
liar. A fraud. And an addict.
What is going on? Sarah was a better staff worker than Laurel, but she had years of practice. Ooh.
Sir, please. Please.
What the hell is happening?
And why are you trying to take my place?
Alright, but Sarah's dead. Oh. Holy crap!
Where's Idol?
Laurel was a badass once again.
So you still haven't told me.
Ollie, what's going on? You're kind of making me nervous.
Oh shit.
I know that this isn't going to mean much. I've given you no reason to believe me when I say it. But I lied all of this time to protect you.
Oh, there it is.
You're him.
Yeah.
That night with the hoods and the woman in black, that
She was our coolest daughter.
that was you. All those times I got so mad at you for being a flake or telling me something I knew that had to be a lie. You were saving someone's life.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh. That was not how I expected it to go down. Ah.
A name and address on our clumsy reporter. I'm on it.
What do you think you're doing?
I'm coming with you.
No, you're not.
I just gave you your only lead.
Talk to you for a second. Alone.
I know what you're gonna say, but I risked my life for this city while you were gone. That should earn me some respect.
This isn't about respect. And it's not about you risking your life. I understand that you miss Sarah. And I understand that when you go out there like this, all of that pain goes away.
It's the only time it ever does.
That relief isn't real. It's a drug.
If you're implying...
You're an addict. And just like with booze
Ooh.
and pills, that high that you're chasing every night is endangering your life.
Go to hell, Oliver. You don't get to play that card with me. Ever. And if there is anyone who's using adrenaline to hide the pain of real feelings in real life, it's you.
She is damn right. Just look what you're doing with Felicity.
Oliver, Felicity tracked down the reporter's work address.
I think Roy just waits. Just waits for him to finish fighting and then just walks in.
He's not here. You helped him escape today.
Finally. threatened my wife. That he could get to her, that he'd kill her. If I didn't do this, do what?
Oh, for the love of Christ. You guys should probably run.
I'm so sorry.
Anthony, give me the detonator.
You killed my wife?
We can protect her. Promise. Now hand me the detonator.
Please.
God forgive me.
Run. Whoa! That is unfortunate. Vertigo, which explains.
Feeling my vertigo, dear.
He's quite the fighter, actually. He almost beat Ollie.
Wonderful.
Selfish bitch. You're not a hero. You're a liar. A fraud. And an addict.
Ooh. Come on, Laurel. I mean, I know we've seen this bit, but still, come on, Laurel. Ooh.
Sarah, please. Please. Your sister.
And why are you trying to take my place?
Get away from her!
You should be dead. I salute your persistence.
Holy crap.
He not me.
She got her ass handed to her. Whoa, that's so
Why did I have to die? If you wanted to be me, you could have. I didn't have to die.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sarah, I'm so
Jesus.
Ollie? I'm sorry, I just wanted to talk.
You go back upstairs. Now!
Hey! Don't talk to her like that. You brought her in. You don't have the right to kick her out.
I'm not. I'm protecting her.
By telling her what to do?
Ooh.
Work with Malcolm Merlin, let him get his hooks deeper?
Enough. She's my sister.
She makes her own choices, Oliver.
It's okay. We can talk later. Is Laurel okay? Is she a part of this too?
She's gonna be fine. I promise. Just... please go back upstairs.
Oh, Roy looking after her.
What the hell was that?
You think you're the only person who can stand up for Thea?
I'm trying to figure out why you're standing up to me.
All right, maybe we just need to throttle back.
No, we need this. Oliver, you were gone. Dead. At least we thought you were. And we had to go on with our lives, and doing that meant not doing things your way.
Fine. I'm back now.
That doesn't mean that we can go back. And you do not have the right to come back here and question everyone's choices.
You don't tell Felicity what to do. You never tell Felicity what to do. Don't do it. She will rip your head off.
Just let me know if there's any change in her condition.
this friendship.
How are you feeling?
When Seidel hit me with vertigo, I saw Sarah. She was alive.
Oh.
She was calling me a fraud. It was crazy to think that I was fit to wear Sarah's jacket.
Oh, no you weren't. You did an alright job.
Her footsteps.
You're right. I hope I'm not out of line here, but I think Sarah wore her mask just as much to hide her demons as she did to help people. I don't see that with you. You have a light inside of you that Sarah never had.
Oh.
So maybe you should stop trying to be Sarah and just be yourself.
Oh. Oh, I do look like this friendship.
Thank you.
Now make out.
What?
We were sitting in this little taberna in Corte Maltese, drinking this amazing Carmenere, and he said that for centuries noblemen had been using the rich aroma of red wine to cover up a very different scent. Cyanide.
Oh. Oh.
Tell me who you are and what the hell you think you're doing here.
Serving my master, Ray Shulgul.
Come on, Thea. Oh no, okay.
Please.
Don't struggle. I can do this so you won't feel a thing. Get away from her.
Yes. Come on, Roy, kick his ass. Oh, okay. Oh, wow, he is a good fighter. So he's beat Roy and Thea. Yes, good man, Malcolm.
If you beg forgiveness for trying to harm my daughter, I'll grant you a quick death.
I never give you the satisfaction, I'll say it.
You're unarmed and you have nowhere to run.
But there's someplace I can go where you won't dare to follow.
Did he just kill himself with cyanide? How highly trained was he? He beat Thea and Roy. That's impressive.
Gonna blow.
Get out of there!
Oh, he just not giving a shit. He's like, well, flames. Fire's not my weakness. Oh, come on, Laurel.
I'm surprised. Usually women don't return for a second go.
Hi, sis.
You're not real.
Oh, I'm quite real.
Come on, Laurel.
You lied to me, Laurel. Straight to my face, my own daughter. Sarah was my daughter. I deserved to know had a right to grieve, to mourn. And who do you think you are to take that away from me? Huh? Who do you think you are?
I'm sorry.
I know you are.
She says she's sorry, but she would do it again.
You keep my own daughter's death a secret. You think I'm too weak for the truth?
You think you can wear my mask? You think you can see me?
No. And I'm done trying.
Oh. Oh. It's okay to pass out now, Laurel.
Oliver, are you there?
It's over.
No, it's not. You have to get home. See ya.
Oh, Daddy, that isn't what I was gonna tell you. What I was gonna tell you is about Sarah.
Oh.
Dad.
Not my baby, not again.
God, I get that Malcolm wants to whip us into shape so we can face the league, but everything is a little bit excessive.
We've been here for 2 hours. Are you complaining already?
I started thinking it after the first 10 minutes.
Well, give it time. Eventually this place will feel like home.
It does not look like home.
It was for me. For other people.
Yeah!
It's just purgatory.
You're not dead, if that's what you're wondering.
It's a shame.
Once again,
No, it's
you
not.
have the good fortune of being uniquely
I'm so sorry.
qualified to help me.
No.
Why?
Genoa has left Hong Kong. We've tracked her here.
Here. Where are we?
Welcome home, Mr. Queen.
Oh my god. Seriously. That is so cool. So he actually went home. Oh, it gets even better. Thank you for watching very much, guys. I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.